Alright, so what we're looking at here is a dead boiler. Well, a dying boiler, what we'd call a zombie boiler. It still produces steam, but most of the steam is going up the chimney. So we got it going. It was on hospice care until we had the time and the scheduling to actually replace this boiler. Pigtail is steel, but it was clear when we checked it. We got our sight glass blowdown valve to cut down on the dirt. Boy, it's got a lot of dirt in there. It never was cleaned. Got a nice drain valve on there that we added. What you are looking at is an 1.25 inch steam main or riser. Bushings are cheap, and I tied it into 3 different mains. This is the header. There's the wet return, the Harford loop. I guess you could call that an equalizer, and then there's the return. So there's one side of the wet return, and then here's the other side of the wet return rising up. Probably when this thing was originally coal fired, this was the coal bin right here. The water level was probably right about here, so this would have been fine. But now this is almost a dry return based on the water level of the new boiler. And that radiator doesn't heat very well for some reason. I think if you look at it, this is pitching this way. This is meant to drain it, and then the steam is supposed to go up this way. But what happens is this is probably half full of rust and sludge because of the off pitch there. The radiator does heat, but after every other one has gotten more than their fair share of the steam. And there's the wet return, and here we are in the old coal bin. So this boiler will be disassembled and gotten ready to be taken out by the delivery crew.